Okay. Just a quick vlog, because I'll do a vlog later on about what I make and lost today. But let's just say it'd be an interesting day. In 20 minutes, the stocks that I buy on the New York Stock Exchange. Right? So although the UK market opens at 8 o'clock, well, it opens before, but 8 o'clock, and the market I trade on doesn't open till 2:30. Yeah. And the stocks I buy don't open till 23. So it's been about 20 minutes now, yeah, and excuse me. So it's 20 minutes, and I lost my trading balance on my practice account has just gone down by £10,000, right? 20 minutes, right? £10,000, right? So when they say, we hear people say that, yeah, but it's only a trading account, because the shares that you buy are based on live share prices of whatever stock you choose to buy at the time you choose to buy it. Your trading account goes up and down like if you had real money in it, because it's using real prices. And solve a problem with one tooth. But yes, so that's how fast you can lose money. £10,000, 20 minutes, easy as pie, right? Now it's come down, but it may start to ease depending on where it wants to go. Yeah. So it's just finding its balance. But the market was going to go down anyway. I knew that before. But I already have my shares in my account, because I'm in it for about 2 or 3 weeks, 4 weeks rather. So I'd already bought trades. I didn't buy trades today. I bought trades 3 or 4 days ago, and they're there for about 3 weeks. So my trades were already in, and they're just going up and down the waves. That's why they call it like sink or swim or whatever. Yeah, your stocks ride the waves for the month, and wherever you end up, as long as that has actually made a profit from where you bought the stock at the start. It just means you haven't got to do whatever it is of day trading. You've got to do 20 days of doing all your research each day on the market. Whatever. Yes, you may make money. Yes, you can lose money. I just prefer to buy at the start of the month, start at the beginning of the options. Wait 3 weeks, 4 weeks, then sell. That's it. Do that 12 times a year. Much easier. You might not make as much money, but even like now, I'm not really worried that it went down to where it is. Right? They lost £10,000, which is a percentage of my balance. But let's just say it's more than 10. Is it? So it lost more than 10% in 20 minutes. Gives you some idea where my balance is. But as I said earlier on in the vlog, you can make 10% in an afternoon. You can lose 10% in an afternoon. You can lose 100% pretty much instantly. You don't get the chance when you have. If I'd had stop loss on my account, my stop losses would have actually stopped that loss. So, say I had a stop loss here, and the balance was here. As it went down here, it would have closed the trade and returned the money from the trade into my account, for example. Yeah. But because I don't have stop losses, it went from there all the way down. It does that. But there's a day trader I watch on YouTube, and he day trades, but it is sometimes you can lose £100,000 if you got it in your balance to lose. But then again, this particular trader made about 200,000 in the same afternoon, same day. You've got to have, if the pendulum is like that, you're not going to make any money, are you? Yes, you're going to be stopped. You're going to have all your stop losses on your trades, but it's going to go. That's it. So there's no movement because your stop losses are there in the way. Once you've got the if you don't have stop losses, please always use stop losses. I don't use stop losses, but I'm not saying to not use stop losses. Always use stop losses. But when you haven't got stop losses, it goes like that. So you lose more, but you win more. When you're like that, you're forever being stopped out of your trades, aren't you? The stop loss is stopping you from making money. Yes, it's stopping you from losing money, but it's stopping you from making money. Because you can't ride the big waves. Yeah. Like if you see the graph charts, you can't make that money because you've got stop losses. So it went that and it went that. So you can't make it if it goes like that and up here, because your trade would have stopped you out from going down to make that, if that makes sense to you. So this is just me waffling now, right? But yes, at the moment I've lost 10% of my balance in 20 minutes, right? At least that. But then it's the market that's opens at 2:30 UK time in the States, in the UK for trading. The best time I'm not saying it's the best time, but the most volatility happens between about 2:30 and 4 p.m. in the UK when you're trading in the States. So, and then after about 4 p.m. the market's then pretty much decided what it wants to do. Pretty much it sort of balances out, and it either goes down or it goes up. But you know roughly around about 4 o'clock what it's going to do. If that helps you. But don't invest based on my advice. Do your own due diligence on your own investments and your own stocks and what you want to buy. And if you want to do it at all. But you can learn to day trade from a practice account. Just type in day trading into Google Play, and there's day trading apps. Type it in, that's where you buy and stuff. Always use a practice account. Always use a practice account until you actually know what you're doing. That take a few months, may take 6 months. You need screen time, trading screen time, watching the charts, how the charts behave. And then you've just got to type in day trading into YouTube, and you'll see people that are now, this time of day, right now as I'm making this video, you'll see people now trading the open. It's called the market open. They're trading the market open, which is now 2:30 till 4ish, pretty much. All the volatility, which is making the big waves, and then after about 4 o'clock it goes up. It doesn't make as big waves. Now it's a prime up like that for day trading, short in stocks or whatever. Yeah. If this helps you, all well and good. It's just me telling you that yes, you can make some money, but you can lose money quite quickly as well. As currently I am in my day trading account, obviously. Adios.